Good day, this is Ian from Ian's Australian Workshop. I'm not a native Australian, so I'm sure I'll take a lot of comments about me not having an Australian accent. Anyway, I'm here today for my first video and I want to tell you about my new purchase, which is the Bossweld 185 MST. It's replacing my current welder, which has served me well, but I just wanted something that would do everything I wanted to do in one go. So I will dispense with this one, put it to one side, and then we'll make a start unpacking. It's not going to be a long unpack here because that gets pretty boring. Well, hello again. I've got rid of the old welder now. I just wanted to talk about the Boss MST 185. I've selected this welder because it's very nicely priced at Bunnings. For those people across the other side of the pond, Bunnings is probably like your Walmart. Great place for do-it-yourself. Not any markup from Bunnings. Anyway, here it comes in the box. Looks good. Open the box. First thing that comes out is the regulator. Now, when I got this, when I first unpacked it, it was a bit flat at the box, but all seems good. In the regulator box, there's a standard argon regulator. Looks pretty mini, but completely fit for purpose. We'll give that a fire up very shortly. But yeah, looks good. Also, looks like we've got a spare drive roller and we've got what looks like some tube connections. So really good there. Okay, put those to one side. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. Get rid of that. Okay, so we have Stinger for the arc welding facility. Yeah, I have to explain, the MST is a multi-function machine. It does MIG, TIG and stick. I'm sure you'll all complain about not using the new terminology, but I'm a bit old, so I still use the old stuff. Okay, put that down. Let's see what else we have in here. Wow, so this looks good. This is obviously the MIG torch. Good length. Excellent length on this. All fully assembled. And I think what's on the end of there is they call a Euro connector. Okay, let's put that down. Also in the bag, we've got some MIG spares. So you've got some spare nozzles and some spare tips, and yeah, and a gas diffuser. Pretty good. All good. Now let's see what else we can find in here. And the earth clamp. And so look at the length of this, and it's often what you get with these cheapish welders, a pretty short earth clamp, which is not a big deal. You can just extend it, but you know, it's nice if you get something reasonable. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's probably, let's have a look. Yeah, it's probably a couple of metres long. So for your friends across the pond, that'll be 6 feet, 7 feet, something like that. That looks good. Looks reasonable size sort of cable, which is always good. And of course the manual. Now, I did have a look through the manual before I started this video, and it looks pretty detailed, to be perfectly honest. So now I'm going to take it out of the box. I'll take it off my workbench because I don't want to drop it because it's brand new, and that's the sort of thing I do. It's not too heavy. It's quite a reasonable weight for one 80 amp welder. That's the benefits of test up to your argon. Coming back to the weight, quite light for a 180 amp welder, and that's the great thing about inverter technology, is that you get an awful lot of power for quite a low weight. Okay. For the Australian market, it's got the standard 10 amp plug, which is quite an advantage. I do have a 15 amp supply, but a lot of people don't. Yeah, it looks very, very nice indeed. Okay. Oh. Yeah, there's the front of it. As you can see, nice control panel protected by this dust screen. Yeah, it's well, pretty excited about getting this one flying, I must admit. And coming around this way. Okay, this is obviously where the drive roller side is. That's nice. Yeah, that's really good. Okay. One disappointing thing I would have liked was it would have been nice if it had had all the settings inside the lid. Now I have looked in the manual and it's got all the settings, but you can't have everything, you know. So you can always refer to the manual. So right, okay, I'm going to put the wire in. I'm going to be using some gasless wire on the larger reel. This is. So what size it is? 0.9 square mil, no 0.9. So let's have a look how we go here. It has a roll I've used before, but okay. So open the door. Looks pretty simple to install. The thing I do like is that you can set the tension here, and it's not reliant on every time you put a roll on. Yeah, it seems a pretty secure fit on there. I do quite like that. That's quite nice. Okay, so here's the drive roller mechanism. Looks pretty good and secure. Just check what roller we have installed. I did notice in the manual the rollers are a little bit different. Yep, so it's a V roller serrated with 0.9, so that's just the right beast. Seems pretty straightforward and simple. Nice and easy to see what you're doing. I'll just put the torch on. So I will take the tip off the torch, because it does make it a lot easier to get the wire to go through. Okay, as usual, spread the torch out nice and straight. So from the camera, and we'll find the end of our. I will just cut off the end here, so that I can feed it through. I'm sure you all know that if you let the roll go, you can be in quite dire straits. What I do like is it's really easy to thread because you can see exactly what you're doing. And simple as that. Very nice. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so we can select the mode very nicely here. So that's stick, TIG and MIG. Okay, so here we have arc voltage, right? We have speed, right? Very nice. Okay, and we have voltage. Beautiful. Okay, so when rolling, if we press the button, so I try and keep it out as straight as possible. And there we have it. Out pops the wire. So, as I'm sure you all know, one of the most important things with gasless welding is that you get the polarity right. So, how is that? In here, is a polarity selection. So for gasless, it's DC electrode negative. And as you can see here, it's currently selected to DC electrode positive. So very simple to change the polarity. The hole is very slightly out of alignment, so I don't want to cross the thread here, so I'm just going to take the other one off and just touch it with a file to make sure it aligns properly. Right, hello. I went off to do some welding with some glassless wire. Just thought I'd show you the table that comes with the manual and try and explain a little bit how it works. So as you can see, we have material thickness down the left hand side and the either MIG wire or gasless wire. Now I will be using a 3mm plate and with 0.9 fluxless wire. So as you can clearly see, that indicates that we should be on around the region of 120 to 135. Now we presume this is amps, which is quite interesting for MIG welding because normally you're talking volts. But there is a conversion table on the other side which is telling me that if we are in the 120 amp to 130 amp region, we should be around about 17 to 20 volts, a wave control of 4 to 6. And interestingly, it doesn't give you a wire speed for 0.9, but we'll go for 0.8, so it should be 4 to 7. So what I've done is I've done some tests at all the various parameters which they lead to, and I shall just sweep down onto the tests here. Alright. Now the first test, as you can see here, this was actually at the minimum voltage, which was 17 volts, and the minimum wire speed, which was 4. Okay. What I did then is I increased the wire speed to the maximum recommended, which was 7, which is keeping the volts the same, right? And then what I did, I increased the volts to the maximum volts. Okay, I then tried minimum wire speed at maximum volts, and as you can see, we blew a damn great hole in the steel. But yes, so that gives you some idea of the variety of parameters, but certainly some decent welding there.